In order to build your own fire contact ball, you need these things: a long Kevlar rope, a needle, good to have but not necessary, a finger head, a long Kevlar thread, and an 80mm aluminium ball. We start by putting the thread through the needle. Then we double up the sides at the end and make an 8 knot. An 8 knot is like a normal knot, just that it does another half turn, and when we pull the knot it should look a little bit like an 8. This knot will be strong enough so that it doesn't open, and when we pull it through the rope it will get stuck in the rope and will not have to get reattached to it. When we stitch the rope to the ball, we want to make it as tight as possible. So try to start by making a spiral and make it as tight as possible, and then stitch it where the spiral starts. And then go around the spiral step by step until the spiral is completely stitched. Let's fast forward this a little bit more. Once the string on the needle has reached its end, we cut the string and we make 2 knots, one the one way and one the other way. This is enough for the knot to get stuck on the rope and not open again. And then we cut the string and repeat the process again.
To know what it is. The Matrix is everywhere. It is all around us. Even now, in this very room. You can see it when you look out your window or when you turn on your television. You can feel it when you go to work, when you go to church, when you pay your taxes.
Now that we're getting towards the end of the ball, we need to look where we have to cut it. So we really want to pressure the Kevlar in as tight as possible, because there's still some stitching left. And then look where we have to cut it. Right there seems to be a good spot. Take a cutting board and a sharp knife. We really need a sharp knife, otherwise we won't cut it. An Opinel is sharp enough, and I really like Opinels, so we're using an Opinel here. That's it, one last cut and the ball is done. Now this video wouldn't be complete without a little bit of a show off, so let me show you how it's done.